Hi everyone, this is Mohit and welcome back to Engineers Tech Hub channel. So in this video, we will discuss what a skill set required if you are looking for job in automation testing profile. If you are working in manual testing profile and the people who wants to move in automation testing profile, or if you did not work before, or if you are working in the different profile and if you want to move in automation testing profile, so coming nowadays what the company is looking for, what the skill set is required, so this thing we will discuss in this video. So in 2021, mostly company are looking for the hot cake in the market in API testing. So that is mandatory, you having the basics knowledge for API testing. Okay, you can start from your first you have to learn manual. For manual stuff you have to learn a Postman tool, and we having the many tools, so you can use the Postman is very good tools, and highly recommend to use in the real time also. So you can use the Postman tool for manual execution for API testing. Okay, so I will suggest you the mostly some people are already working in the same profile and they are looking for job change, or someone is working in your manual testing profile and they are looking for job change in automation testing profile. So what is your roadmap and how to do the preparation, I will discuss in this video. So first of all, if you have to choose one language, so Selenium support multiple language, code Java, Python, and Ruby, C Sharp. These are the JavaScript. So you can select one language. So if you are new in object oriented programming language, so I will suggest you go for code Java for you, that is best for you. And after that you have to learn Selenium framework level development. Then after that you have to learn API testing. In API testing we having the framework called REST Assured, that you have to learn. Then you have to learn BBD framework. So these are the main skill set is required in the coming market in 2021. Okay, so first of all you have to prepare and you have to learn properly all this set of the skill. If you having the time, then you can learn also APM. Then you having the E2E automation profile, means in one framework you can implement UI, you can implement REST Assured, you can implement APM, right? So this is your E2E automation profile. And after that you have to learn some DevOps tool like Jenkins and Git. So that is very important, and Maven. So these are the common tools you have to learn. Another things I want to tell you, the automation testing profile, the most challenging stuff is how to work on your coding skill set. So mostly company nowadays are looking for you having the SDET profile, software development testing profile. What do you meaning of software development testing profile? For software development testing profile, you having the very good knowledge in programming a skill set, right? So if you will go in interview, mostly company is looking for your coding skill. That is main challenge for you guys. But if you having the proper guidance and if you are doing the practice, definitely you are able to reach out to that level. So if you will go for the interview, 70% questions they will ask you from your logical programming and Java concept. Okay, so more than 50% question they will ask you the programming. Got it, right? So you have to do proper preparation for your logical programming. Again the question is how to do preparation for your logical programming skill set. So if you did not do programming before, don't worry at all. First of all you have to learn from the basics level. First you have to learn how if else condition is working, how for loop is working, how for each loop is working, how while loop is working. you have to learn these things. These are the basics. And after that, what you have to do, be having the many website, you can pick interview programming question. So I always suggest you can go for the Java concept of the day. That is a very good website. I like that website. You will get 85 interview questions, and that question is common. I can see almost company, they are looking for same question level. So this is the one level of how you can do the preparation, right? Second level, if you will get the call from product based company, they are looking for you are able to solve the question for HackerRank, right? So HackerRank, one website is there. So that is the another level of programming a skill set. So what I am going to suggest you, how to improve your coding skill. First of all, learn from the basics, then start from the basics questions and try to solve yourself. If you will not afford yourself, then you cannot grow up in your programming skill set. How to do that, right? So I already told you, right? First of all, basics, you having the basics knowledge, how this for loop and all working, how it is working. So having the basics concept, then after that you can pick any programming question, then you can start to solve yourself. Try yourself. If you are not able to do, don't worry. Got it, right? If you are not able to write the code first time, don't worry, okay? But if you are not trying, that is the big worry. When you pick one question, then what you have to do, if you are solving that question, many idea will come to you. Might be that logic is not working for whatever you are solving, but you can generate some logical thinking, right? So day by day you can explore yourself. Then if you are not able to do, you can find the solution. You are not able to understand the solution, what you can do, you have a Eclipse, right? You can debug the code and you can understand the flow of the code. Got it, right? Like that you can explore your knowledge. So this is the key point to get the job in automation testing profile. Selenium, REST assured, that is not a big deal, guys. You can learn, not a big deal, because these are the framework, they are already implemented. Just you have to learn how to use this. But this is the main problem what I observed. So you will stuck where in your logical programming. I made many videos for real time, the people who did not work in the real time and they're looking for job as a experienced level. I already made the common question for interview question. So you can go in the below link and you can be having the many videos. You can take the help from them. Okay, so spend minimum 1 hour for your logical programming. So that is the key to get the job in automation testing profile. Now these days you having a very good knowledge in programming a skill set, you can easily crack. Please follow these tips. Definitely this, what you have to put in your resume: Core Java or any programming language, Selenium WebDriver, Cucumber, REST assured. So these are the important framework. You have knowledge for these framework and you have to work on your logical programming. You will get definitely calls and you are able to crack the interview as well. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I having the one request: please share, subscribe my channel and share with your friend and follow my tips. Definitely you will get the profit. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video.